everyone, welcome back to Quang MKT, where marketing meets automation. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to join automatically to 1,000 communities on Twitter. So now, let's get to the point. Look at the main screen right now. So first of all, we go to the viral marketing and we choose the join communities. Overall, you can see this is the configuration to join community. Then we have to set the number of concurrent thread, 10, switch account if error continues, 10, maximum participation per account, 3 to 5 communities, the interval to actions from 15 to 30, and you can join community by the keyword or by the community link if you have the link. Okay, in today's video I will go for by keyword with spot and close, and we will participate in order or random based on you. Okay, you also can interact before joining the community. Maximum interactions per account 2 to 3 posts. Like you have to you can like post or quotes the content, and you have some choice. Firstly is automatically by AI, or you input the file, okay, and type your content here, okay, with spin structure, the content 1 and the content 2, and so on, content plus 100 and save. Okay, so okay, and I will choose automatically by AI. Okay, and the list of accounts, we have to load all the accounts that you have or you want to use to join the two communities. For example, I will choose the X-clone category, and this is all my accounts, and I will choose all of them to join all the community, okay, that related to sport and clothes. The maximum participation per account will be 20 to 50 based on you, okay, but it is a test, so I will choose about 5 to 10. And after choosing, we start. It's easy, right? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quang MKT for more tutorial every week. See you in the next video.